LNER 458. Just awaiting for departure. He should be going now. There's the LNER driver. There he goes. Enjoy your ride.
Yeah, later. I might go on that one.
Oh cool, there's going to be a video I can take now of the friendly 79-year-old and the enthusiastic 73-year-old. There goes LNER 458 and the LNER driver. Please ring Vesper if I can make it.
I actually want to ride on that because I didn't get to ride.
Last wait, please. Wait, Harry.
Harry, wait.
Well, which one are we going on now?
Anyone.
Right, anyone.
That one mainly because it's got a sun.
Oh no, because only because you're not.
Oh nice, he's in again. Never mind. There's the LNER 458 getting ready to go.
LNER 458 and here's Foxy Film Food.
Hello. Please check me out.
Subscribe to him as well.
Certainly do, please.
Subscribe to Trains and Well Reflections and my channel, of course.
There's the LNER 458 and Vesper driver in cameo, and the joyful 70-year-old's wife in the cameo.
There's the other YouTubers again.
Yep, us too. Look, this is our last go, and then once we've had our last.
Why did I go last go?
Oh, cool. Did you record it?
No.
Okay.
Because we all went on. When we all go on, we can't.
Oh.
We got a few recorded when when I went on by myself, and then my mum and my brother went on by.
Oh, nice, nice. And have you heard of Slamnotic?
No.
He's been here before, and I've been on.
No, I haven't seen him, by the way. I haven't seen him.
I know. I hope he comes to the last run if he can.
Well, pretty much.
There's LNER 458 getting ready, and the LNER driver who should have a special dedication in my YouTube video.
True.
And certainly the friendly 79-year-old former BR signalman should have a dedication.
And the 56-year-old.
Yeah, the amazingly entertaining volunteer driving the first.
So we're going off now.
Oh, see you later. Have a nice evening.
We'll make our YouTube channel.
Okay, and please don't forget to watch ours.
We won't.
Yeah.
I'll subscribe to my channel.
And please subscribe.
If you put your video up on the Home Park Railway,
There goes
then
LNER 458. I know, search up 18 Minutes of Railway 2017 and it may come up.
yeah, the trouble is that's such a big name to remember.
Sorry.
You should narrow it down.
Yeah. I went.
18 minutes well, right?